guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss how to install Ollama on Linux operating system such as Red Hat, Debian, Kali, Linux, etc. So opening their terminal first. Now this is the terminal. Let's increase the size. Now if I write there pwsh minus version, then you can see PowerShell that's already installed. Now the next is here in Google search box right there Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site. There you can get this command curl. So now copying this command, and if I write there this place curl minus minus version, you can see curl is already installed. So curl should be in your system. Let's use clear command. Now this command that's going to paste there, and now press enter. So here you can see this. So this here you can see Ollama is now downloading Ollama. Here you can see the percentage. So 1% that's done. So this will take some time to complete this download. Percent. After that install creating Ollama user adding this all. Now thereafter let's use their clear command. And now if I write there Ollama minus minus version. So you can see this is 0.18.0 that install. To start the Ollama, simply you write there Ollama, then press enter. Then you can launch their cloudy code. Here open claw and this. So first that's selecting there run a model. Then this is recommended, press enter, and here this you can see this is for signing. So you can copy this open link here you can see this here Ollama, you need to do the signing. Click on this continue with Google. Here you need to give their password. Now you can see device connected successfully. Let's open there. This is connecting. After that you can write any query there. This is the returning. Now let's ask any question. Top commands of Linux. So you can here this is displaying the top commands of Linux. So this you can see. After that let's ask other question, how to learn Informatica. So this is now searching, thinking, and now returning this. Here you can see this, you can get there all. So this is getting this all in quick second of times. So this is how we can here install Ollama on Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.